Alright, so we just got onto JFK Boulevard, right off of Sam Houston Tollway Beltway 8. Got a couple miles here until we get to the airport. You're going to find a lot of gas stations, fast food, hotels, and parking here. You got your parking flies. Currently, these are $12 to $15 for your vehicles. Here's the George Bush Intercontinental Airport sign. You're going to see a lot of different airline listings up here on the left. Don't be intimidated. It's pretty easy to navigate, even considering this is the 5th biggest airport in the United States. So George Bush Intercontinental, IAH is the ticker. If you check your airline app, you're likely to know which terminal you're going to be going to. But in the event that you don't know, or you're picking up somebody, all of these signs on the left listing the airlines will help you out. Over here to the right is where you're gonna pick up and drop off your rentals. There's all the internationals. And it says the garages are open. Good to know before you get up in the loops. That is so cool to me that you just got the planes going on top of the overpasses here. I used to come here a lot as a kid. Thought it was so cool. My dad traveling all over the world and stuff. So pretty simple. Just follow your terminal, and we'll get to parking in just a second. And of course, if you're dropping off or picking up, departures and arrivals, follow the signs. If you are parking here, just check out how many spots are available on your level. Head up to ticketing. You'll find a bunch of kiosks here and areas to check bags, but most of the stuff's done on your mobile app. Should be good to go if you check in. All right, got through security. Find your gate so you can go to other terminals here. They probably got the SkyRail. Chick-fil-A's open. It's pretty early, 5 a.m. Yeah, take the Skyway to the other terminals. We are in Terminal B, United domestic flights. You can see not a lot of stuff's open at this hour. I got these little kiosk help areas. Check out all the shops in here. We're Terminal B. Let's see what else they've got here. What about food? Let's see, Terminal E. Let's go international. Grab and go. World Nectar.